Hey guys, so for today, I'm going to be replacing the gearbox cover. As you can see, my wife ran it into a car and that ended up snapping. You can see right there is the gearbox, and you can see that the gears are exposed. It looks like they do put a good amount of gear lubricant on those, which is good news, but yeah, I'm going to be swapping that out and showing you guys how to take this apart. To do that, it's pretty simple. In the front, you just got these 4 screws right here, here, and here. And then on the back, once you get that up, you're going to have this one here, the one next to it there. And then from there, you're going to have to remove these two. And in the back, with these ones here, you're going to want to loosen that up. This is for the top, as well as loosen these ones up a little bit. And there's going to be 2 screws hiding underneath here. It's much easier than the camera makes it look, but there is 2 screws on the gearbox underneath, and you will just have to pull this upper portion up here and then remove that. And yeah, I'll just kind of take that step by step, starting with the front. Okay, just wanted to give a quick reminder, when you're taking out the screws on this, they are very soft. You want to use one that fits in the hole without any give at all. When you twist it back and forth, if there's any give, it will strip that screw out, and then you're going to be in trouble, because from what I've heard from a lot of people, it's hard finding screws that are an exact fit. A number 3 is the, if I can get that to focus, can't get that to focus, but it's a number 3 bit that I use on mine, and that one's really tight. But even if you do have a number 3 Phillips head, you do want to check that, because sometimes they do vary a little bit. If there is any wiggle room in there at all, it can ruin that. And you just want to use slow, even pressure when you're taking these out. I have heard a lot of people strip these out. I'll be right back once I get these first 4 out of the front, just to show you which ones I took out. Okay, I got the broken piece off the back of this strut or shock tower here. It just fits on there like that. So just taking these out, just took out the one right there, one in this bottom corner, and then the one just above it right there. And next, what we're gonna do is just coming to this portion up here. I'm not even gonna take these out. I'm just gonna loosen them about halfway, just to give the top some wiggle room. So just these 2 here, and then moving forward, these 2 here. Just loosen those up about halfway, and then when we get up front, we'll take these out and then these front ones out, which will allow us to lift that up to give us the clearance we need. Then we'll take this off, and then there's just the 2 underneath, and then from there, you've got the 2 that are easily accessible. When I move that out of the way, you can see them a little better. You've got the 2 right there, and then the 2 up front. And then other than that, it should just come right off. We can just swap that out and proceed. So I'll just show you what that looks like once I get these halfway out and these 4 up front here all the way out. Okay, so just a couple. Okay guys, got this out finally. They were okay, so finally got that apart. I did have to use more heat to get this screws one off right there. Here's the new cover, and I will link this to where I purchased this. Mine came in about 8 business days, so not too bad. And then there is 2 extra screws in the front that I forgot to mention to hold this little piece on for the front bumper. And to put it back together, you just put everything back in reverse order. Okay, got her all put back together.